Welcome to Technia TV. Hello, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar. Today, I am delivering lecture on primary data. It is important for a researcher to know the sources of data which he requires for different purposes. Data are nothing but the information. There are two sources of information or data. They are primary and secondary. Primary data refers to the data collected for the first time, whereas secondary data refers to the data that have already been collected and used earlier by somebody or some agency. For example, the statistics collected by the government. Both the sources of information have their merits and demerits. The selection of a particular source depends upon the following factors. First one, purpose and scope of inquiry. Second one, availability of time. Third one, availability of resources. Fourth one, the degree of accuracy required or desired. Fifth one, statistical tools to be used. Sixth one, sources of information. And the last one, method of data collection. Now, what is primary data sources? Primary data collection is necessary when a researcher cannot find the data needed in secondary sources. Market researchers are interested in primary data about demographic, socioeconomic characteristics, attitudes, opinions, interests, awareness, knowledge, intentions, motivations, and behavior. Three basic means of obtaining primary data are observation, surveys, and experiments. The choice will be influenced by the nature of the problem and by the availability of time and money. Example includes surveys, interviews, observations, and ethnographic research. A good researcher knows how to use both primary and secondary sources in her writing and to integrate them in a cohesive fashion. This is a figure of data collection technique. Here, research data is bifurcated into two types, primary data and the secondary data. As we are concerned about the primary data is of two types, quantitative and qualitative. Again, quantitative data is of three types, survey data, observation data, and experimental data. On the other hand, qualitative data is of focus group interview, and projective techniques. Again, survey data is bifurcated into two types, questionnaire survey and interview surveys. Again, questionnaire survey is of three types, mail-in survey, group administered, and online survey, whereas interview survey is of personal type, telephonic, and focus group interview. Now, what is quantitative data? Survey research is a research method involving the use of standardized questionnaires. Now, what is quantitative data? Survey research is a research method involving the use of standard questionnaires or interviews to collect data about people and their preferences, thought, and behaviors in a systematic manner. This method is very popular method for quantitative research in the social sciences. The survey method can be used for descriptive, exploratory, and explanatory research. This method is best suited for studies that have individual people as the unit of analysis. Survey research has several inherent strengths compared to other research methods. Surveys are an excellent vehicles for measuring a wide variety of unobservable data such as people's preferences, example, political orientations, traits, Example, self-esteem, attitudes, examples towards immigrants, beliefs, example about a new law, behaviors, example smoking or drinking behavior, or factual information, example income. Survey research is also ideally suited for remotely collecting data about a population that is too large to observe directly. A large area, such as an entire country, can be covered using mail-in, electronic mail, or telephonic surveys using meticulous sampling to ensure that the population is adequately represented in a small sample. Survey research is economical in terms of researcher time, effort, and cost than most other methods such as experimental research and case research. Also, at the same time, survey research also has some unique disadvantages. First one, it is subject to a large number of biases such as non-response bias, sampling bias, social desirability bias, and recall bias. Depending on how the data is collected, survey research can be divided into two broad categories. First one, questionnaire surveys, which may be mail-in, group administered, or online surveys, and the second one, interview survey, which may be personal, telephone, or focus group interviews. Questionnaires are instruments that are completed in writing by respondents, while interviews are completed by the interviewer based on verbal response provided by respondents. This is the end of my lecture on primary data. Hope that will be beneficial for you. Thanks for watching my lecture on Technia TV. Subscribe Technia TV. Thanks a lot.